Hey Blade Ops, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Olamic Cutlery Wayfarer 247. This is an ideal everyday carry to have in your pocket. Here we have the sateen drop point, the Sheepscliffe, and we have the Harpoon knife. These are a great flipper knife, has great action, comes with a lock bar insert, has a hole to come up with two hands, or a skeletonized flipper tab to go up with one. You can see that it has a Kinetic mist titanium pocket clip with a ceramic detent ball for a easy slip into your pocket and good retention while it's in the pocket. Here we have the blade length at 3.5 inches. The length of the knife is 8 inches. Weighs 4.99 ounces. The blade itself is a Bowler M390 steel. Feels great in the hand. Get your Olamic Cutlery Wayfarer 247 online at blades.com or in store today.